Welcome to this introductory video on how to use Oracle Guided Learning. This video will provide an overview of what the tool is, how to access it from your desktop, and how to use its features. Oracle Guided Learning is an in-system support tool used to provide step-by-step assistance in completing a task. A nice feature of the tool is that once you log into the system, you can access it from any page by clicking on the Oracle Guided Learning icon displayed on the far right-hand side of your screen. If you click into the tool, a number of guides will be displayed. You can use the search bar at the top of your screen to search for a particular guide. But in this case, since there's not too many that I have access to, I can just view all of the ones on display. If you want to see a video demonstration of a particular task, click on the right-hand side of the guide. This will bring up a video demonstration of how to complete the task. Alternatively, all of the steps and screenshots will be listed below. If you wish to just view the steps, you can click on the lines icon and the steps will remain on display without the screenshots. If you want to reference the steps at a later date or when you are completing a task, you can use the print and email buttons. To exit out of Oracle Guided Learning, click on the close marked by an X, and this will return you to your page. Another feature of Oracle Guided Learning is that it can give you real-time assistance to support you in completing a task. Let's open Oracle Guided Learning again by clicking on the icon. And now this time, let's click directly on the guide that we need assistance with. In this case, I'm going to click on Supplier Creates Response to Negotiation Invitation. As you can see, the guide has started directing me to the steps that I need to take to complete this task. Now it's asking me to search. And after I follow all of these steps, I should be able to respond to this negotiation, as that was the guide I have selected. Now let's say I don't follow the step and I click on something else. The guide has stopped now, so you will have to restart the guide by going into your Oracle Guided Learning icon. If you find a guide maybe doesn't open after you have clicked it, please just use the home icon to return home, and the guide will start automatically. You should now understand what Oracle Guided Learning is and know how to access the tool. If you have any questions or feel like you're not seeing what you should be seeing in the system, please contact suppliers@essentialenergy.com.au for further support. Thanks for watching.